So we've just got out of the lift, we're on the 3rd floor, number 3608 is our number. It's 4 floors in total, and you've got views over the road, that side, the mountains and the car park. And where we are, room 3608. We're in here. Glass of champagne to welcome us, that's always a nice touch. Now it's a nice room, as you can see, not the biggest we've ever been in, but fairly good, tidy. Big size TV, a little sofa, which is where my suitcase will probably go. 3 cupboards here. 3 drawers, should I say. There's an adjoining door here by the look of it. I'm not sure how that works. Hope it's not going to be too noisy. So we've got a little fridge. There's nothing in it, no water, but I'm sure we'll get some of that. And the cupboard space here. A couple of nightgowns, slippers. I think there is a safe as well. Yeah, there you go, there's a safe. Is that 2 safes? Oh no, it's another drawer there. So you've got a safe there for your valuables. So quite big space cupboards. The doors are trying to close over, but plenty of space anyway. And then we'll go out onto the balcony. Now it's got an adjoining wall. I'm not sure if that's going to be an issue. It may not be. If it is, we can always turn the music up a little bit louder. But here's the view from our room. So you've got some apartments obviously looking over the road and some looking over the sea. We've got the sea view one, which is a nice touch. Now this is our first day, we just arrived now, so it's around about 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't know if we're going to see a sunset. It's a little bit cloudy today. It's been a little bit unsettled, the weather, for April, so people have told us, but it is brightening up and getting warmer as the week goes on. So there you go, there's the pool area. We'll do a little tour of that later on, but as for now, we just arrived. We're going to unpack and probably go down for some of the week. Now in this hotel, I believe that you get allocated a sunbed, so you don't have to fight for them or go down at an unearthly hour at 6 AM and try and book one. They're already allocated to you, so that's going to be quite interesting to see. I've never been to a hotel where it does this, so that'll be interesting. A lot of people say they wouldn't go back to the old-fashioned method of everyone fighting and trying to get a sunbed and putting towels down at 5 o'clock in the morning and so on. But yeah, for now we're just looking around. So as you can see, not a bad sized room. We'll have a look in the toilet and shower. Walk-in shower there. Not bad. Haven't tried it out yet, obviously, because we've just got here. Our little toilet. And a little sink. All very good. Right, so anyway, that's it for now. We're going to get unpacked and then we shall have a look around the hotel. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye for now.